In a quiet forest, a tiny turtle walked slowly under a tall green tree. Suddenly he heard a small sound.
Help! Help!
A very tiny bird was stuck inside a bush and couldn't get out,
I will help you.
and carefully pushed the bushes aside. The little bird was free.
Thank you!
She chirped happily and thanked her new friend. Soon, dark clouds filled the sky. Rain began to fall, and the ground became slippery. Oh no! The turtle slipped and fell into a deep pit. The tiny bird heard him.
I'll get help!
She flew back quickly and called her friends. Together, they helped the turtle climb out.
Thank you, my friends.
Help others, and help will come back to you.